Newsletter, Al-Mawrid US. December 2025. Istifsar, with Dr. Omar Khan Nasir. A new question and answer series titled Istifsar, with Dr. Omar Khan Nasir, has been launched under the banner of the Ghamidi Center. In this program, Dr. Omar Khan Nasir, a scholar at the Ghamidi Center, responds to academic and intellectual queries. Some of the key questions posed in the November 2025 sessions include: under what circumstances may one leave a particular sect for another? Is it permissible to use the term kafir for non-Muslims? Has conclusive communication of the truth already occurred for non-Muslims, and is the establishment of an Islamic state a religious necessity? Recordings of these sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Ask Ghamidi. This is an online question and answer session designed to allow participants to obtain direct answers from Javed Ahmed Ghamidi regarding questions related to religious and ethical matters that arise in their minds. Each month, a large audience engages in this session. Prominent questions asked in November 2025 include: who inherits if a person leaves behind neither children nor siblings? What is the true nature of an oath? What is the expiation for failing to fulfill a vow? And, do the sins of followers fall upon their leaders? Recordings of these sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Is religion easy or difficult? In November 2025, Muhammad Hassan Elias was invited to the popular YouTube program Lunch with Lilas, where he delivered an extensive discussion on the theme, Is religion easy or difficult? He elucidated several aspects of religion in a contemporary context and provided well-reasoned answers to the host Ms. Manur's questions. Some of the significant queries addressed in the discussion include: are men and women equal in Islam? Is covering the face obligatory in Islam? And, is ablution valid over nail polish? The recording of this program is available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. The importance of Imam Shah Waliullah's work. This article by Syed Manzoor ul Hassan is based on Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's lectures. The author highlights the scholarly stature of Shah Waliullah and the foundational significance of his intellectual method. It is explained that religion is generally understood through two major approaches: the Salafi method rooted in the outward compliance with divine commands, and the method of jurisprudence and reflection, which views religion as a coherent system of thought. Imam Shah Waliullah's remarkable contribution lies in his deep appreciation of the Salafi tradition while standing within the reflective juristic tradition, harmonizing both approaches with profound wisdom. His work resolved many internal tensions within religious thought and presented a unified and balanced intellectual framework. Consequently, scholars across both intellectual traditions regard him as an authoritative figure. This essay appeared in last month's issue of Islamic America. Weekly Lessons in Quran and Hadith. During the November 2025 sessions of the Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's ongoing live lessons in Quran and Hadith, organized by the Ghamidi Center, he taught verses 59 to 70 of Surah Al-Hajj. In the Hadith lessons, he discussed traditions concerning the dreams of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Key topics addressed include: angels conversing with the Prophet in a dream, the angel showing Aisha, radhiyallahu anhu, to the Prophet, peace be upon him, in a dream, the Prophet seeing himself in battle attire, and the migration toward the city of dates. Recordings of these lessons are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Afkari Ghamidi. Afkari Ghamidi is a weekly program on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel in which Syed Manzoor ul Hassan, editor of Islamic America, explains and elucidates the ideas of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. The program discusses various themes in an accessible manner. The episodes broadcast in November 2025 were titled, The True Responsibility of Scholars, The Reality of Seal Upon the Hearts, and Is a Fatwa a Verdict or an Opinion? These episodes are available on the YouTube channel. The Correct Concept of Al-Kharaj, Bil-Zaman. In this article, Muhammad Hassan Elias critically examines the conventional juristic interpretation of Al-Kharaj, Bil-Zaman and clarifies its original meaning. The article explains that the report intends only to convey that entitlement to profit belongs to the one who assumes responsibility and liability for a given thing. Later jurists, however, reduced it to a principle pertaining merely to financial loss. The author argues that this reading is linguistically, contextually, and contractually untenable, since each transaction establishes its own form of responsibility, and profit arises from the interplay of those distinct responsibilities. This article appeared in the November 2025 issue of Ishraq America. Tafhim al-Athar series. Under the Ghamidi Center's supervision, the program Tafhim al-Athar presents explanatory discussions on the reports and practices of the companions and successors, along with question and answer sessions based on selected narrations. The program is hosted by Dr. Syed Mufti Rahman, while Dr. Amar Khan Nasir participates as a guest scholar. Topics discussed in November 2025 include the companions' reluctance toward writing hadiths, causes of the appearance of false claimants to prophethood, Abu Bakr al-Sadiq's letter to the apostates, the companions' diligence in documenting hadiths, and compilation of hadiths and the role of the Umayyad rulers. These sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. English summary of Itmam-e-Hujjah. In his 23 Objections video series, Mr. Shehzad Salim is providing English summaries of all topics discussed thus far. In November 2025, he delivered the summary of the topic Itmam-e-Hujjah. Recordings are accessible on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Maulana Islahi's departure from Jamiat Islami and his new scholarly engagements. Last month's episode of Hayat Amin sheds light on Maulana Amin, Ahsan, Islahi's departure from Jamiat Islami and his subsequent intellectual endeavors. Citing his letter to Maulana Maududi, the article outlines the context of his resignation resulting from ideological and administrative differences. It then discusses his new scholarly pursuits, his training of young students, and the launch of the monthly journal Masak. It also summarizes his academic critique of Jamiat Islami's policy during the 1965 presidential elections, which reflects his intellectual independence and principled stance. Faith and Beliefs. As part of the Meezan lecture series, Dr. Shehzad Salim continues teaching Ghamdi's book Meezan in English so that English-speaking audiences may also benefit. In November 2025, he recorded 2 lectures on the theme, Faith and Beliefs. These are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. The Ghamidi Center's online spiritual Conca. In the sessions of the ongoing online spiritual retreat organized by the Ghamidi Center, key topics discussed last month included the role of prayer in life, giving charity after one is afflicted by the evil eye, the evolution of faith, inclination from faith towards superstition, and the 7 dimensions of human potential. Recordings are available on the Center's YouTube channel. Islam Study Circle. Every month, Dr. Shehzad Salim conducts a session under the title Islam Study Circle. He discusses various religious, ethical, and social themes in the light of the Quran and Hadiths. The session comprises 3 parts: explanation of a selected Quranic theme, discussion on selected prophetic traditions, and analysis of a passage from the Bible. The session concludes with answers to participants' questions. Topics discussed last month included, a servant of God, some precious qualities, the burden of obedience to God, and a bad habit I wish to discard. The session is conducted in English, and recordings are available on the institution's YouTube channel. Ilmo-Hikmat, Ghamidi K. Saf. In the weekly programs of Ilmo-Hikmat, Ghamidi K. Saf broadcast on Dunya News in November 2025, some of the key questions addressed include, how can the causes of error in understanding the truth be mitigated? Is the issue of raising the hands in prayer a matter of truth and falsehood? How can intellectual and practical harmony be established between consultative governance and Western democracy? And, what is the evidence that political order must arise through consultation? The recordings are available on the institution's YouTube channel. Dr. Shehzad Salim's online private consultation sessions. Dr. Shehzad Salim conducts monthly online private consultation sessions in which participants seek guidance concerning personal and family matters. More than 40 such sessions were held last month, during which participants sought advice regarding parental challenges and adolescent issues. Issuance of fatwas based on religious opinions. People frequently approach the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, Al-Mawrid USA, regarding legal applications of the Sharia. They often require applied opinions concerning marriage and divorce, inheritance, and various social and economic matters. Several such fatwas were issued last month. These were prepared by Muhammad Hassan Elias in light of the thought of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. Teaching of Al-Bayan in English. Continuing his English language instruction of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's Quranic exegesis Al-Bayan, Dr. Shehzad Salim delivered lessons on verses 153 to 165 of Surah Al-An'am in November 2025. The purpose of this initiative is to make the understanding of Al-Bayan accessible to English-speaking scholars and students. Recordings of these sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Ask Dr. Shehzad Salim. Every month, Dr. Shehzad Salim conducts a live question and answer session in which he responds to questions on various religious, ethical, and social themes. Participants may pose their questions in either Urdu or English. Recordings of these sessions are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel.